A third JLP term will kill off a lot of careers, inside politics and outside. A third JLP term will cause many of you to wither faster on the vine, and then the vine will go pop. A lot of you who are upset at the order that the country is in now are upset because, having been locked out of the positions of power for so long and being on the bubble for so long, if the bubble bursts now, you can refresh yourselves, you can restate your claim to this country. But if what is happening now holds, politically you're dead, professionally you're dead,